Di Samla play bawan saya top 10 yang ke kelas 12 sain kiat empa bag eksamin kam dei ek bajuat ni ke masuk hadu kata-kata. Samla kari ki kanti ba play Saint Anthony High Secondary School Shillong bawan hakadan bah riu da baga mai sos pa lu phumak hakal so ba benar da kami board of school education mentak sini sandri jemang aja pesan. Kum juga Samla Jason Sumer ba poi hakadan bah nyau rayo sos pa sun khnai mak laung ba kami anti ban poi sikani kedan Palau dan gajing berkap on poi sikmat. Ni Samla ba play do hani kaju skul Laong baga eksamin kemadai ba haduk kata-kata bar play kot man ka singilai haduk sau kenta. Hakan ni singi ayo do bani keren bar ka swita bar ka drishna ba poi kedan ka ba bat balai ki ba play ne kan ni kaju hi ka skul. Na kali ang principal ka skul ang ba mtaw stem persosan ka biang kat ba ka komas ka hir ndai ka art stay kalong kumba julong hi.
My name is Gary Keganke. I'm from the science stream, top 6, and I have also passed out from the St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School. My preparation, it was quite rocky, as I should say, because during my class 12, I got pretty sick, so which affected some of my academic performances. But by God's grace, I was able to prepare well for the board exams, and yeah, I was able to secure that top spot, so I thank God.
How was the
Exam, it was, I should say, it was not that hard. It wasn't that easy either, so it was pretty normal, as expected.
So what?
Right now, I'm planning to continue college and hopefully finish my PhD, I think.
In which stream?
Some expect na banyo ada kita galamot banyo up to 85, 87, 80. Batang aso check minna tanga yo 91.8. Katong te ngalat reach tom tanga layo ka ngala biang di bangai nguro yo play bola ke kuya ngambil position ka thok ti mi pak unjo ro jakam tami kinong kai ma kita point kita chanu chanu le meet ya kan next year gala ik minen batang ngam kena yo ada tang maling no siya guti ka coaching da data na ba kata-kata saya akan untuk melatih untuk life up tadi dengan yo rank 7 berlepas St. Anthony's High Secondary School.
The club in your two
Preparation was, I just focused on the concept and just practiced. That's all that I can say.
For me also it's the same. I did not have any routine or anything, but yeah, I always had a target in mind that today I need to finish this, I have to do that, and until and unless I finish that, I did not go to bed.
So in a day, how many hours?
There was no fixed hours, but yeah, it depended. Like if I had to study physics, I gave more time, and I was good in chemistry, so I gave less time there. So it depended like what I'm studying.
Rishana Roy Chaudhary, and I have received the second rank in the HSSLC MBOS examination in 2025.
Everyone, my name is Shweta Sharma, and I have secured the third position in HSSLC exam 2025.
It's not something I can answer because it just changes from day by day, like every day, because on how I feel. But I try to study like 4 to 5 hours every day, and some days I don't study at all. When I'm feeling very low, I feel it's important to give yourself breaks as well. If you just keep on studying even when you're not feeling like it, it's useless. Like there are days when 2-3 days I've been there, I've not studied, because I believe when you're well rested, you feel like studying. You're doing it from within and not because someone is forcing you. That is when you can actually get a lot of things inside your head. Social media. I'm someone who really likes fashion. I really like to use social media. I never refrain from it. I believe that you cannot leave anything in your life. It's a part and parcel. There are some things which you get only through social media, but the thing which still I used it and I still got it. It's because I used it wisely. I knew when I needed to stop and when I needed it to refresh myself. I would say it was a dream. It was a dream to secure the first position. At first I was very nervous, but then when I saw the result, I was literally shaking. But I feel very happy that I could make my teachers and my parents proud. Like that's the best part of it. Day one I started studying. From day one I focused on each and every subject. There was nothing like subject for me or anything. I gave equal efforts to all, and the top thing is that I focused on my concepts. Even my teachers in school, they always focused on concepts. First I study the concepts, I understand how things are going, and if I don't understand, I will always clarify it with my teachers, and my teachers also, even if I ask one thing 100 times, they always helped me. So that was the two things, consistency and concept.
Mình tao xem là đây học school chung te yang ni ki science ki biang banding ke mencip senam ki commerce pat ki lahir ki arts ki maintain ke average joki ja kan ni kamde ke ba nung kong re ka man lau senam ke senam atlis ke pauch kemat jing sha ke science stream hakini ki senam ki bela ledru ki one bit kemat re menta ki le khamha ngi dot ngi yo jing riungut re lai sau senam menchuang ngi yo na du first du 10 tang le St Anthony's but ki commerce ru lai senam menchuang ngi do yo na du first du 10 te ki art stream berbol ngi yo kumbasan sipo te kan ni kamde ke benengkong re jing sha kat ku jing pet jonga ngi iba kasa ki group prepare malau senam ki bawan don ki group ki batch ki ba ibyang ibet ki mo ki ba trace dom bat ki ba don kata jing nang jing start ka jing minot ke joki ni yo ke result ke ba don bat ki group menta usam ki biang min sip sam ki biang te kasa ki group joki te nak benta ka St Anthony's kamde ke ba ngolungo ba ngi yo kan ni jing syam tangi la hiar ni don kum ba khat lai ngot min sip sam ngi don jing hat prangot te nak oi ka por kum ba ngong ma kasa ki batch prepare ni don ke tactics ni ju pet ni ju ong ki kena ya kino hikai ba ya kitu ki bela nang la start ki bela yo ki max be ki mat nang prepare le de re ni don pat ki we pat ki ba long average so ki we pat ki ba long kham duna te teng ni ju ong ki ni ki kena ba ni ju kentu ba haba pure break la da piton kono jing ki doubts clarification ke ba ma pp de ban ya kendo kino hikai kono pot pla ban kendo ban clear ki doubts re bangi dan ya kini ki ju mentang bagi kena ru kimda kit khia than hadu kata isu kermen bat sungai bengi salah hadin bat prepare last moment pi dia kata kau rak kenya ke jing here so kau ru kanika social media ru ka ju por kadai ka way kat nak bentak bagi kena kila por sebelah palat hadu baki mla suban fokus mo 100% ya ka kot keslah ke jongki ke
Teknik ke ba pedang